This video introduces the Wrap tool. The Wrap tool maps text or planar surfaces onto a 3D solid body. The results of the wrap can be imprinted, embossed, or engraved. Let's demonstrate by wrapping some text and a symbol onto a ring. First, we'll select our Wrap tool and we'll select Imprint from the data entry window. Next, we'll select the text that we want to wrap, the part we want to wrap to, and I'm going to change the snaps to face on so I can exactly snap onto the face, and then press the location on the face, and we can see our text is now mapped to our solid. Now let's go ahead and change our imprint to an engraving. We'll set engrave and the offset and hit apply. And now you'll see the text is now engraved inside the solid part. Next, let's go back to the inspector, and this time we'll set emboss and again hit apply. In the case of the emboss, the text is raised above the surface. Let's go ahead and demonstrate again, only this time we're going to pick a 2D planar surface as a symbol and locate it on the side of the ring. We'll select the symbol, locate it on the side of the ring, and note this time the symbol is not oriented correctly, and so we'll select the axis that's displayed along with it and we'll rotate it into the proper orientation. In addition to rotating it, you can select the handles to move it as well. As we did before, let's go to the imprint and change that to an emboss operation. Hit apply, and this time you'll see our horse symbol is raised offset above the ring.